Ang ating Korte Suprema naglabas ng desisyon at in-invalidate niya yung clauses doon sa 14 ordinances ng Metro Manila Local Government Units na authorizing the issuance of traffic violation receipts, yung TVR. Sinabi ng ating Korte Suprema, walang authority ang mga LGU at kanilang mga enforcers na manghuli at mag-issue ng TVR. At in-specify ng ating Korte Suprema dito yung cities or municipalities of Makati, Taguig, Parañaque, Pasay, Quezon City, San Juan, Navotas, Las Piñas, Pasig, Muntinlupa, Mandaluyong, Valenzuela, Caloocan, and Manila. And other municipalities, ang sabi niya. At ang sabi ng ating Korte Suprema, Section 5 of Republic Act number 7924 of the MMDA law. Ito yung Metropolitan Manila Development Authority law. Mandates the body to install and administer a single ticketing system and confiscate and suspend or revoke driver's license in the enforcement of traffic rules and regulations. So sabi ng Korte, very specific naman ng batas na ang MMDA lang ang may authority to issue citation tickets. And nullifying these ordinances, yung basic law precept na a national law is higher than a local law or an ordinance, no? And makikita mo na kung ito yung trend, ay maaring mag-apply din ito doon sa law creating the BLIST in the city of Baguio, La Trinidad, Sablan, Itogon, and Tuba. And following this doctrine, yung ating LGU enforcers can no longer issue or will not, of course, hindi pa na-implement kasi yung BLIST, but the moment it is implemented, hindi na pwedeng mag-issue ng TVR ang mga local government unit traffic enforcers unless they are deputized by the BLIST. As in this case, ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, unless the local government unit enforcers are deputized, then they cannot issue traffic violation receipts.